Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class we have completed playing cards related problems up to 45. Now this is question number 46. Read the question, what they are given. A person draws two cards from a well shuffled pack of cards. The cards are replaced after noting their color. Here, see here, replaced noting their color. Then another person draws two cards after shuffling the pack. The probability that there will be exactly one common card is nil. For suppose person 1, so I am taking that P1. Person 1 is drawing the two cards, two different cards. For suppose he got a red color card, particular number. Second card is uh, different color, another card. So I am expecting that is B1. That is R1, this is a B1. Or you can take another way. The cards colors we didn't expect A1, A2. So finally I am taking two different cards. One is A1, one is A2. Okay. And again he replaced the two cards. Another person, P2, he want to draw that again two cards. But he will pick up one common card. For suppose he got A1, he cannot pick up A2 card. Yes or no? For suppose one card he got A2, he cannot pick up A1. Yes or no? So here, what is the probability of there will be exactly one common card? When we will get one common card? When the second person is drawing the cards. Okay, students. Now here, how many colors are there? There are two colors. Okay, which color he will pick up, we don't know, first person. Now, second person, observe that here there are two chances. Second person drawing the card, there are two chances. Now, required probability P of E is equal to second person having that two chances to drawing the first card. He will get either A1 or A2. This is common card. Yes or no? These are common card. For suppose finally he got one card, that is A1. Then second chance, what he want to select? He cannot select A2. That means already A1 selected. Next A2 cannot be selected. Total how many cards are there? 52. Out of 52, those two cards can be subtract. Remaining there are 50 cards. Out of 50 cards, he want to select one card. So this is the required probability. This is first chance. This is second chance. In that first chance, so he is picking the card that is common card. In second chance, he is not picking the common card. Students, are you understood now? So finally, P of E is equal to, this is not P of E, sorry, N of E. N of E, favorable cases. 2C1 into 50C1, 2 into 50, that is 100. Then what is P of N of S? N of S we know very well. Out of 52 cards, he's picking two cards. 52 C2 means 52 into 51 by 1 into 2, 2, 2 Z, 2 6 Z, 26 by 26 into 51. So write the required probability P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. N of E is 100. Now observe that 26 into 51, how much? Okay, we can write here 26 into 51. Again, calculation here 50 by 13 into 51. By multiplication, observe the 3 into 1, 3 will come. So I think first option is correct. 50 by 663. This is the answer. Students, all of you understood now? Next question. 7 white balls and 3 black balls are randomly arranged in a row. Then probability that no two black balls are placed adjacently. How many balls are there? 7 white, 3 black. No two black balls are placed adjacently. So in this case, first white color balls, WB means white color balls. There are 7. BB means black color balls. How many are there? 3. Total 10. Now, what is N of S? N of S is equal to 7 plus 3, 10. Those balls we want to arrange in a row. N things can be arranged in a row, that is n factorial. So here 10 balls can be arranged in a row 10 factorial ways. Next, what is the event here? E be the event of no two black balls are placed adjacently. The condition is on black balls. That's why first we should arrange white color balls. See how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 white balls. First arrange the 7 white balls. 7 white balls can be arranged in 7 places. That is 7 factorial ways. So in between 7 balls, how many gaps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In between means here, consider ends also. There are 8 places. 8 places can be filled with how many black balls, students? 3 black balls. So those are balls out of 8 can be arranged in 3 black balls. That is 8p3 ways. Okay. Now required probability P of E, that is equal to 7 factorial into 8p3 means 8 we can write decreasing 3 times. 8, 7, 6 divided by N of S, 10 factorial. 10 factorial I am writing 10, 9, 8, remaining is 7 factorial. Product of 10 natural numbers is 10 factorial. So I'm written here 10, 9, 8. Remaining product of 7 natural numbers. That is I am written 7 factorial. Now see here, these two cancel. 8 cancel. Next, 3 2s are 3 3s. Again, 2 5s are 10. Students, finally, what is the answer? 2 by 15. This is the required probability. Not to 7, sorry. 7 by 15. Second option, correct. A box contains 40 balls of same shape and weight. Among 10 are white, 16 are red, rest are black. Rest are black. How many rest? How many remaining balls are there? That is important here. So first, white color balls. How many are there, students? 10. Red color balls. There are 16. Black color balls. Total 40 now. Red and white 26. Then black color we can expect 14 or not. Total how many? 40. Now, how many balls we want to draw? Only 2 balls are drawn. The probability that one is red and one is black. One is red and one is black. So first, write that n of s, this total possible cases. Out of 40 balls can be select 2. Can be select 2. Now, n of e with the event of selecting one is red and one is black. Red color, how many are there? 16. Out of 16 can be select 1. Then black ball. Black, how many are there? There are 14 balls. Out of 14 can be select 1. These are the favorable cases. Now, write that required probability P of E, that is equal to n of s 40C2. 40C2 means 40 into 39 divided by 1 into 2. 16C1, 16. 14C1, 14. Now, how to calculate? 2 20, sir. Okay. 4 4, sir. 4 5, sir. 4 5, sir. Now, 56 numerator. Observe the options. Denominator obviously 195 only. 5 nines are 35. Yes. Unit place we are getting 5. So correct answer is second option. An urn containing 9 balls, of which 3 are red, 4 are blue, 2 are green. Okay. 3 balls are drawn at random without replacement from the urn. Without replacement. The probability that 3 balls are have different color. First, we need to identify how many balls are there. Total 9 balls. Out of that, red color balls. Red color balls. There are 3. Okay. Blue color balls. There are 2. 2. No, 4. 4, sorry. 4 blue color. Next, green color balls. There are 2. Total how many? 9 balls. Right here. Total possible cases. Out of 9 balls, we need to select 3 balls. And n of e, favorable case. What is the event here? E with the event of getting different color ball. Different color. That means one red color ball into one blue color ball into one green color ball. 3C1 into 4C1 into 2C1. Okay. 9C3 means 987 by 1, 2, 3. Calculate this. 3 3s are 9. Next, 2 fours are 8, 4 threes are 12 into 7. Okay, here 3 into 4 into 7 into 2. Now required probability P of E, that is equal to N of E by N of S. N of E means 3 fours are 12. 12 into 2 by N of S, 12 into 7. 12 cancel. Then answer is 2 by 7. Okay. Which option correct? Second option.